Hey guys, my name is Suresh and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a challenge video and I have taken up the ugly location challenge. So basically in this challenge what you have to do is go to a location that is not very photogenic and try to capture a good picture. And I just thought that it was such an interesting concept because in India, like most of the places are just really hard to photograph, and to actually be able to get good results is kind of a challenge. So I was super excited and it's like trending right now on YouTube, so I really wanted to take it up. The only thing that I would like to add is that I'm not particularly fond about the title of this video, which is called the Ugly Location Challenge. I don't think any location can actually be ugly, you know. Maybe it's like not photogenic, but I wouldn't necessarily call them ugly. So that's the only kind of sort of problem I have with the title of this challenge. But apart from that, I feel like I did a pretty decent job. You guys let me know how you think I did in the comments down below. And without any further ado, let's get started with this challenge. Okay, so I have my laptop right here so that I can look at the pictures that we have taken. I have taken some before and after shots. That is like some before shots of how the location actually looked and how we managed to photograph it. We took 5 different shots and 2 out of those locations were already thought out. Like I already had these 2 locations in mind because I had seen it multiple times almost every day whenever I go out. But the other 3 were kind of an impromptu decision. I mean, that is how we had planned it. The only problem was that it was super hot, guys. Like that was the only main issue I would say with this challenge. But other than that, it was a lot of fun. So the first location, I will insert the picture here so that you guys can see. But the first location is like this, you know, like the side of the road kind of a location with nice green background. There was like a lot of kachra and like a lot of stones. The road was not properly laid, like the side of the road was not properly laid, but I just really love the floral and the green background, and that's why I decided to choose this place, because even though it's not perfect, it's not, you know, photogenic enough, I knew that we could get something out of this location. So we decided to do like in half shot so that we can only keep the green area, and the rustic background kind of just gave like an overall a super lovely rustic look, which I really enjoyed. I love locations that look kind of rustic because it just really adds to the character of the photo. And this is the final result. You guys let me know what you guys think of it. Okay, so while this location was already pre-discussed, the second location wasn't, and fortunately this was right opposite to the location where we were shooting in the first place. So we saw this stall. It's basically like a chart stall, but it was closed. The guy hadn't opened his shop, so I just thought it was like the perfect location. Thankfully there weren't many vehicles standing right in front of it, which made it ideal for a photograph, and I just feel like that just really gelled well with my super casual t-shirt jeans outfit. Okay, so the third location is again one of those impromptu locations. So I just changed into this nice floral mustard yellow top, and I was just scouting for a location. There was this chai stall. It was a blue color chai stall, and I was like, oh my god, that is like the most perfect thing in this entire planet for my mustard yellow top, because I feel like blue and yellow, they're just like such opposites that they look great together. So the best part about this chai stall was that not only was the chai stall a nice blue color, but also its background was a nice blue and white color, which I absolutely loved. We got the chai wala's permission. We asked him if we can shoot in front of his chai stall, and he was so nice to tell us yes, and I am so grateful for that. And I thought that I should, you know, bring my inner Kylie Jenner, I guess, because I always see Kylie Jenner's Instagram. She does these, like, you know, like a squatting shot in front of the mirror. She always takes selfie like that, or like pictures like that, and I wanted to try it out. So I just, you know, like just sat down in the middle of the road and we took this shot. Okay, so for the fourth location, I again went ahead and changed into a black bardo top. and we spotted a nariyal wala, and I was like, oh my god, yes, I want a shot with the nariyal wala, with all the nariyals around me drinking a coconut. I want that shot. But unfortunately, the first nariyal wala that we went to, she just told us that we can't shoot at her place. And there was another nariyal wala. Unfortunately, he did let us shoot, and I'm so thankful for him because he was just so nice. I can't explain to you how many people were looking at us. It was a main road. Oh my god, it was like super awkward. That's why I like to shoot indoors, because at least a lot of people won't be looking at us. So the last shot was a planned shot. I had scouted this location before, so we just went to this location. It's basically like this house slash store kind of a thing, where half of it is a store and half of it is a house. And the house basically was like a very bright orange color, you know, the kind of orange that doesn't look very photogenic, I guess. But the best part about it was that they had like this staircase going upstairs, which was super colorful in like these nice pastel colors. So there was like pastel pink, blue, and we only managed to, you know, like concentrate on the staircase so that we could avoid all the dirt areas. So guys, that brings me to the end of this challenge. Let me know if you think that they were nice, if you think we did a good job with the kind of location we had. I would love to know your feedback. So guys, that was my take on this challenge. Now I encourage you guys to take up the challenge and post a picture on your social media, and don't forget to tag me so that I can look at your pictures. I would love if you guys, you know, take up this challenge. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you guys like this video. I make videos every Tuesday and Friday, and if you guys have any different kind of challenges that you would like to take up, then do let me know in the comments down below, because I honestly enjoy doing these challenge videos. I hope you guys have a lovely weekend, and I'll catch you guys next time.